Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Muazzam Manzoor, and now we are going to start off our discussion with the impacts of human activity on ecosystem. First of all, I would like to present you the big picture of this particular subsection. इस सबसेक्शन में सबसे पहले हम डिफॉरेस्टेशन को डिस्कस करेंगे. सेकेंडली we'll talk about the ozone depletion, and thirdly we'll talk about the global warming by the greenhouse effect, और उसके बाद फिर हम acid rains को in detail discuss करेंगे. Then we'll talk about the eutrophication, and towards the end of our discussion with this particular subsection I would be discussing few important tables which are actually high yield for sake of your entrance exam, keeping in view the previous trends of the exam. So let's start off with deforestation. I have a question for you at this stage. Statement is, establishment of new forests where no forest existed previously is called as. A option is deforestation, B option is afforestation, C option is reforestation, and D option is primary succession. And the best response to this question is afforestation. Alright. अभी इस क्वेश्चन की जो रीजनिंग है हम आगे चल के डिस्कस करते हैं. So now let's talk about the deforestation. So deforestation by definition ये है क्या? This is basically the clearing of forests, right? So सादा लफ्ज़ों में जंगलात की जो कटाई है उसको हम कहते हैं deforestation है. अब deforestation के जो effects हैं वो क्या आते हैं, हम इसके ऊपर बात करते हैं. First of all, इसका जो most